Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be installing the Tesla Model 3 door handle scratch guards by EV Armor. So EV Armor sent this out to me for free to do a review on their part. So let's see what it comes with. It comes with this spray bottle that they recommend putting a little bit of dish soap and a lot of water, a keycard holder, alcohol wipes, and a squeegee. And here's the door scratch guards. And I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but essentially this is paint protection film that's been pre-cut for your door, and the purpose is to prevent scratching from happening in the future when you're opening up the door handle and your nails are touching the paint. So let's get this installed and let's see what it looks like. To make the install even easier, I used my own pressure sprayer, squeegee, and microfiber towel. It took about 2 minutes to install this thing, so it's super easy, and because the paint protection film is on the thinner side, it's hardly noticeable, yet provides really good protection. So I'm very happy with the results. So the door scratch guard came out pretty good, super easy to install, and it's going to offer some protection. So if the nails touch this, it should be good to go. As always, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.